Welcome back to slprimestudio YouTube channel. I'm Samit. I used voicemaker.in for adding voice to my video. I invite you to stay this video until end. Today I'm going to talk about Zoom tool and its different uses. I hope that it will really help you to work with Photoshop. Okay, let's go the topic. When you work with the Photoshop, you can zoom in and zoom out with this tool. There are different methods to open zooming option in Photoshop. Shortcut key is Z. You can find zoom tool in the bottom of the toolbar. When you go onto the tool, it demonstrates how it works. When I click the zoom tool, the cursor changed like this. It looks like a magnifier glass with plus mark. I have already opened a file for this demonstration. I opened it like this. There are 3 zooming options in the option bar. Let's see those. You can zoom the object in 100% with this. You can zoom the object to screen size via this. You can zoom in the object to fill the screen with this option. When you click the zoom tool, the cursor change. I hold the Alt key in the keyboard. Then I do right click of the mouse. Then the object zoom out. I remove Alt key and do right click of the mouse. Then you can see the object is zoom in. You can focus any area in the object and you can zoom in and out as you wish. This is another easy method for zoom in and out. Okay, let's go to the next method. You have a shortcut key for zoom out, it is Ctrl+- key. You can zoom in with Ctrl and plus key like this. Press Ctrl and 0 to get it in screen size. 3 methods were discussed. Let's see the others. After you selected the zoom tool, you can drag the cursor right. Then the object zoom in. When you drag the cursor to left, it is zoom out. I think that method very easy. Right zoom in, left zoom out. Now next zooming method. After you selected the zoom tool, you do right click of the mouse. Then you can see zooming option. So you can zoom the object as you wish. I go to the Windows in menu bar, and select the navigator. Then navigator opens in panel. You can see it top of the panel. I can zoom in and out like this. It's very nice. Isn't it? Okay, up to now I think that you could understand what I told. This is the final zooming option. I go to view in menu bar. There are 8 zooming options. I'll show them one by one. It's same as shortcut key that I discussed in previously. Okay, my friends. We came to the end of this tutorial. So I think that the tutorial was help you to understand all about the zoom tool. I discussed all methods that I know about zoom tool. I invite you to stay with me for future Photoshop tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it on the comment section and feel free to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.